Hi! Today is time to decorate my coffee bar. I'm so happy that you are here with me today. I'm gonna do a simple but beautiful decoration. It's gonna be a vintage shabby chic. I did some DIYs for this, and I'm gonna use some things that I already have. No, don't leave the video. Watch it to the end to see this awesome decoration for my coffee bar station. Okay, so here is the middle part that I have my coffee machine, and I have already mugs here. So right there, I'm gonna add these 2 cups that are white and silver. That I have it. I think these are from Home Goods from last year. And I DIY these 2 beauty cups. I decorate it with some napkins. So you have to go and see how I DIY these cups and a bowl and also a tray. Okay, so then I have the set of these 3 plates. The set of 3 plates are from Home Interiors. I got the set of 3 for $3 or $4 in a thrift shop. So I'm gonna put one here under the sign that I already have there that says coffee bar. That is from Timu. They have the 3 different designs. One is gonna be here, and I have a space in the bottom that I'm gonna put that one there. Okay, so let me see what I got here. I got this creamer cup, and I have this. Also, this one is from last year. You can put sugar in it, but right now I don't have nothing on it. This one also is from Home Goods. I'm gonna put it right in this corner. Okay, so I have this lace. You see it's dirty right there. It has a stain. I just cut the corners and use for different projects. This is gonna be on the top, and then this is another piece of it. I'm just gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put this cake stand. Yeah, holding it. Top of it, I'm gonna put this 2 cups, different. One is with blue, the other one has pink. But I love the shape of them. These are also from the local thrift shop, and I pay only $50 for each one. I'm just gonna put these flowers on top of this one. These cakes that I paint for Valentine, I want to put it here, just in the middle, like this. And then I have these small spoons, put it right here. Okay, that's gonna be right in the middle. Now I'm gonna continue with the top. Let's remove this a little bit. Okay, so for the top, let me move this side. Okay, so I have the other piece of lace. I'm gonna put my canisters, coffee, and sugar canisters. they're gonna help me hold the lace in place. There you go. In the other corner, I'm gonna put the milk vase, and I put some flowers on it. Just there. I'm gonna put this small stand with another cup that I got at the thrift shop, also 50 cents. And then I have this set of 4. You see, look the shape of it. They're to have small amount of coffee. And I'm gonna put just one on top of the other one. I got 4. Okay. The other cake that I have right here on the middle, and just a rose near the cups. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the top of the coffee bar. I'm gonna put the piece of lace. So just in the middle, I'm gonna put this sign that says coffee, the other vitamin C. I DIY it, so you have to watch that video. I decoupage it with napkins, like I did with the cups, with the different designs. This pot with succulents, and I only had a bowl. This one is from a thrift shop, and I got it about 3 years ago. Oh my God, I love how this turns up. Look at this. Look at this. I have a video also about that. I used the same lace that I put there, the same flowers that the signs, and some ribbon, some fabric also. I got this in a thrift shop about 2 years ago. I just want to leave it as it is, because in the shabby chic decorations, it has to be old. It has to look like old items. And I'm gonna put it in the other corner. Here. And in front of it, I have this set of 2 mugs that says mine and yours. To the bottom, I'm gonna use the same plate, the set of 3. It's like a cut plate, and I just decoupage it using the same napkins that I use on the coffee sign. I have a video also about my grandma cup. It has a heart on it, and I love it. This beautiful, this one is from Bells, and I just put flowers on it. I got this one last year. It was $4.99. Inside, I'm gonna put the bowl of chocolate, the candy jar of chocolates, and one side, and the other one side I candy cart. That one is from Hobby Lobby. The other one, this one is from Target, the $5 spot. Of the mat, I'm gonna put just this small vase, this pink small vase from Target spot also, and a gnome, sunflower gnome. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Kisses and hugs. See you in the next one. Bye.